What's up everyone, my name is Kyler Holland and today we're going to be jumping into Premiere Pro to show you how you can create an awesome boomerang effect by using one effect called POSTERIZE time. So without further ado, let's just roll the clip. I mean, it's kind of cool and it's super simple to do. So this video should be really short, and if you learned something today, let me know down in the comments and hit that like button because it seriously helps out the channel. Also, I'm going to be making a vlog letting you guys know why I haven't been posting a lot. I'm sorry, but life happens.
All right, so these are the clips that we're going to be working with today. They all will work. Just play around with your footage and see what you want to boomerangify or whatever you want to call it. We're going to make that word up. All right, so let's explain for starters what an actual POSTERIZE time effect is and what does it do. Go to the effects tab and type in POSTERIZE time and drag that effect onto your video. If you go to the effects controls tab, you'll see that POSTERIZE time has a frame rate of 24 because that's the clip that I'm working with, it's frame rate. And if you change that frame rate down to say 10, it will actually manipulate the frame rate of the clip that you are working on. And if you go all the way down to 4, it becomes super choppy because now it is manipulating our frame rate of our video clip down to 4 frames per second. Now this is pretty cool because if you actually copy that POSTERIZE time effect onto all of the rest of your video, you will actually see that POSTERIZE time effect has been applied to all of your videos, and it's kind of like a little stop motion photo time-lapse something, but we're going to show you a cool boomerang effect using POSTERIZE time. So to get started, find a clip that you want to posterize and make a boomerang, and then select an in point and an out point. I'm going to make the in point kind of where her hand is in the air, and then her out point is kind of when the hand is down by her face, just like so. So just cut your clip down to that length, and all you have to do is hold Alt and drag that video clip to the right of your first video clip and right click on your second one, go to speed and duration and click reverse speed. Now we actually have a video that's kind of a boomerang already. Now this is where the fun thing happens. Go to the effects tab, type in POSTERIZE time, drag that onto your first video clip, and let's change this to 8. So that'll make this first video clip 8 frames per second. And now the fun thing is you can actually right click on your POSTERIZE time, click copy, go to your next video clip, right click down here and click paste. Now we don't have to search that clip anymore, and we've already created our first POSTERIZE time video effect. Now if you want this to last longer, all you have to do is highlight both your clips, hold Alt, and drag those to the right to the end of your clip, and now you have a POSTERIZE time boomerang effect that you can export and upload to whatever social media you want. Keep in mind you can add your own custom overlays or change this to black and white if you want. Let's show you another example, and I think I'm going to actually use this clip of these girls jumping up and down right here. All you have to do is find an in point and an out point, and I already like what this video is looking like right here, so all you have to do now is hold Alt or Option on a Mac and click and drag that clip to the right so you can duplicate that. Remember, right click and go to speed and duration, or you can also click Control R and that will bring up the clip speed and duration dialog box. Click reverse speed, and now you have this clip that is already a little boomerang, but you'll notice that right here it's a little choppy because of the way the boomerang was. So I think I'm going to actually cut a little bit off this back half on the first clip, and I'm going to cut in the same amount on that clip. So now if I drag those together, this should be a little bit smoother, as you can see right there. So sometimes you have to play around with your cut points just so that the boomerang flows a little bit more seamlessly. Now go to the effects tab, type in POSTERIZE time, drag that onto your first clip, and let's make this one 6 just to try it out. So 6 looks a little choppy, so maybe let's change this back up to 10 just so it looks a little bit more smooth, and then right click on POSTERIZE time, click copy, go to your next clip, right click in the effects controls tab and click paste. Now if we loop this, you can actually watch and see what our POSTERIZE time effect is looking like. So that's kind of a cool little boomerang posterized time effect. Looks pretty cool, but keep in mind you can play around with the actual frame rate to get different looks. The lower the frame rate, the less frames you have. The higher the frame rate, the more frames you have. It's pretty self-explanatory.
That's pretty much it. And if you guys liked today's video, let me know, because I'm trying to always come up with super easy follow along tutorials, but I sometimes always come up with these crazy advanced ideas and they take 20 minutes, but it's nice just to show you something super simple that you can follow along. And if you enjoyed today's video, let me know. If you didn't, also let me know. But for now, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.